Good morning, student. Myself Kher Singh from Jayotri Academy. Today we'll discuss class 12 subject economics, macroeconomics, especially chapter first introduction. So here we will discuss about the macroeconomics introduction. Basically, economics is categorized into two parts: microeconomics and macroeconomics. So here we will see the macroeconomics. In macroeconomics, we usually simplified the analysis of how the country's total production and the level of employment are related to attribute called variables like prices, rate of interest, wage rates, profits. So these important attributes plays very important role in macro economics. So their variability about the different things, those have been provide the impact that have been also analyzed in the macroeconomics. In this process, we may be overlooking some vital distinctive characteristic of individual goods. In this process, we may be overlooking some vital distinctive characteristics. Different types of characteristic have been present in the particular things. For example, production condition of agriculture that have been fully analyzed and understand the climatic support and the agricultural things, those have been useful, how their production have been enhanced. So all the analysis have been taken, and industrial commodities are of a different nature. So different types of industrial commodities and other things have been helpful for the natures. Thereafter, uh, macroeconomics also tries to analyze how the individual output level, prices, and employment level of these different goods get determined. All those things have been related to the macroeconomics tries to analyze how the individual output level, prices, and employment level of these different goods get determined. So they have been determined those, so there that have been provide the other impact to the output level, how they have been enhance the prices and employment level. So all those have been interrelated and their product their proper understanding. Macroeconomics tries to address situation facing the economy of as a whole. Macroeconomics have been helpful for the economic conditions as a whole will be proper understand and what are happening in our economy. So all those factors, those are helpful for our economy. They have been provide the good support. Adam Smith, the founding father of modern economics, had suggested that if the buyers and sellers in each market take their decision following only their own self-interest, Adam Smith, known as the father of modern economics, gave the suggestion about the buyers and seller in each market take their decisions following only their own self-respect. He have been given their own decisions on their views about the buyers and seller for their own self interest. For this purpose, macroeconomists had to study the effect in the market of taxation and other budgetary policies. In macroeconomics, different types of study related to the proper taxation of the market and the budgetary policies, the budget impact of the budget and how the budget have been impact of our economy. So full analysis must be very helpful. Thereafter, macroeconomic policies are pursued by the state itself, statutory body like our Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, and similar institutions. Those have been also make the policies for the better understanding and better output of the economic growth or the economic development. Okay, thank you very much.